Hi there, this is Albert Pinto. Today we will learn two main topics in our Blogger settings. How to enable custom robots text for optimum crawling of our Blogger posts, which also refers to the sitemap of our blog. And the second topic is how to enable custom robots header tags or text. These are the most important requirements in our blog so that the posts are indexed and crawl in the search engine to generate good traffic. Well, using robot text files allows you to eliminate pages which add no value. So search engine focuses on crawling the most important pages instead. First, you go to your blog and go to settings. Then we go down to crawlers and indexing. Click on enable and then click on custom robots text. Then we will type generate XML sitemap. Click here. Let's paste our blog URL here. Click on generate. Let's copy this code into our blog setting. Paste and save it. Well, that's it. It's done now. Now we go on to the next topic. Now, what are custom robots header tags? First, we'll try to understand a little bit about them. Custom robots header tags for Blogger are the latest and vital features of Google's Blogspot. It is the best and easiest way to control the robot's behavior for your blog. By launching these features, Google makes Blogger more SEO friendly and suitable for blogging. Well, since you have understood that now, fine, let's begin the process. Here we have the custom robots header tags which says it's disable and we need to enable it. So we click and we enable it. Here we see the following details. Now here I will show you what are the important things you have to choose for proper crawling of your blog. In the home page tags, the first thing we have to select is all so that all our pages are crawled by Google. Then we will select no ODP. No ODP means no open directory project, and it is a directive which tells the search engine crawlers not to use metadata from the open directory project for files or snippets displayed in search results for the particular page. Then we will go to archive and search page tags. Blog archives are the heart and history of our blog. It's up to you to set up your blog in a way that makes it easy for visitors to find specific posts within your archives as you publish more and more content over time. So here we don't want the search engine to crawl your pages twice, which can affect your blog's crawling. Therefore, we select no index and again we select no OTP. The next one we have post and page tags. Here also we will select all and again we select no ODP. Then we save the pages. This is our best setting for custom robots header text. I hope this video was useful to you and I hope it will solve your problems. Bye bye. Until I see you next again with another video. Take care.